the overspray in the bathroom. You can see from the start up, here's overspray here. As you continue, it's on the tile, yep, up to here. You can see it, white on white. All this overspray here into the shower. Overspray here. Here on the window, pretty far down. Overspray here, 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 all the way here, all the way around the shower. You can see the overspray painting the tile. Continue overspray down here, pretty far over, right here, all the way down, overspray, away. And also, there is a fan in the bathroom. It was actually installed by Jorge of the restoration group. I'm going to give you a shot of the paint that's peeling. Started peeling right after. And I think it's just a matter of no prep work done to the surface prior to painting. Just came in and painted it. It's also starting to peel up on the corners over here as well. And over in the corners over here and along this edging.